Alright, check it out. I was lucky enough to be gifted several, well, a whole bunch of 90-volt solar panels. This is industrial powered stuff, and I've been having a lot of fun with it recently. Check this out. So I got this little 12-volt heater. It says 12-volt, but it definitely throws a lot more than that out. And as you can see, yeah, it really heats it up really nicely. I got these things attached to that unit right now. It doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot, but check this out. Some LEDs, some will actually work just by, oh, can't cross the streams, right? I was really surprised to see this. Some LEDs will work, LED lights. This is a 110 unit that I pulled from the dollar store, and it's supposed to use AC, but it's using DC. These things have an AC to DC switcherator on them, but it seems like it can just take it straight up, but it doesn't work with all of them. I have other ones it doesn't work with. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. I almost wonder how long it'll last if I keep it on like that. Pretty trippy, huh? Well, I think it's pretty cool. Geez, those light bulbs run pretty hot, eh? Huh. Now, I'm to understand that all lights, or LED lights, work with DC. I tried this thing, though, and I couldn't get anything off of it, so I don't recommend you doing this at home, but this is pretty fun. Okay, next thing I want to try is hooking this 90-volt thing up to a 12-volt converter to get the USB fan working. I want to see how long it'll work for before it explodes. Always remember to wear PPE, guys. Alright, surprisingly, the thing is actually spinning. Let's leave this on for a bit and see how long it lasts for. It's actually blowing pretty fast. It doesn't look like it in the video, but that's about as fast as these dollar store units get. Let's see how it does. Alright, now I got two USB fans, and they seem to be doing pretty well. I'm going to leave them plugged in, see how long they last for. Now, the light bulb is still running just fine. It got disconnected once. I think it generates a lot of heat, so yeah, that's not the greatest, but still. What I'd like to do is see if there's a way that I can hook it up to this system over here so I can be mining a little bit more Bitcoin or Veriscoin. The Colonel over here, he knows what I'm talking about. Ain't that right, Mr. Colonel? But this guy, he ain't too, Kamala ain't too sure. Skelly Beans over here seems to think that Kamala's racist, but we don't talk to him about it because he's white. Alright, so a few hours have passed by. I'm pretty sure that I've actually blown this thing out now. The fan stopped working. I'm still getting voltage off of it. I'm looking at it. It doesn't look like anything's blown. Also, look how crummy that solder job is. Well, for the price I pay for it, it's basically slave labor, so I can't complain too much, right? Anyways, I'll try it again in the morning when the sun comes up. But one interesting thing that I ran into, check it out. So I wired this unit into one of these. I clipped it out and put the, what do they call it, the M4 Morettes? Yeah, right here. You see, I brought them up. Broop, right over to here, and then I plugged one of these lights into it after I made an extension cable for it, basically, and yeah, light. But guess what? It only works when the sun's up. Anyways, this original one over here is still powering the light, which is lovely. Once again, it only works when the sun is up. And I'm trying another heater unit over here, heat/fan unit. I think I've blown the fan out. It doesn't seem to want to work anymore, but we'll see how it does when the sun is up again. Wish me luck, guys. Alright, so it's day 2 of the solar panel fun. One of the things I just found out from my dad is that if you're trying to clean these things, or windows, it's often best to use Windex and actually newspaper. But make sure you crumple it up first. It takes more of the stuff off it. Anyways, check this out. Check this out. This is a standard lamp. I'm not doing anything here except plugging it in. And there she is. Now, there must be some kind of capacitor in here holding on to energy. I should say, I've tried using these solar panels with all of these lights, and out of all the lights I have, only 2 of them will actually work. Now these ones, I can get these ones and the incandescent one to work just briefly, just for a second, and then it's as if something just cuts it right off. I can get my Fiesta lights to work, but when I plug them in, they turn on and then this one dims. I'm guessing if I get more light and amperage, it'll work. But so I got these three beautiful ladies set up in a row, and the USB devices actually still work, and check it out. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Nice, that is a 5-volt fan. I'm gonna see if I plug in an old cell phone if I can actually get it charged. Okay, I'm gonna have to try that later. Since this thing was sitting out in the sun, it was having a little bit of difficulties, let's say. I'm gonna throw it in the fridge for a minute and come on back. So let's take a look at the other ones. The light's still going. That thing's been out here for almost 24 hours. And once again, it seems like I got a capacitor that just keeps the thing going until the sun goes down completely. So here you can see I got the two different types of heaters, and I'm not getting a whole lot of heat off this. I gotta say, what I'm learning from this is definitely that it takes a lot of energy if you want to generate heat with solar or any electricity. Oh wow, my camera overheated. So ultimately I couldn't charge my phone with that thing, but I can still keep the fan going, and it's going much faster than it looks like in this video, you know, frame rate and stuff like that, right? Man, the sun's really popping through, but I gotta be real careful, because if a little bit of overcast comes, even though I have 3 deep cycle batteries, everything just kind of shuts down. Yeah. Anyways, that's what's going on with me testing out my giant solar panels that have way too much voltage for what I got. And that's what's going on. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will you?